Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a very exciting eyeshadow project pan update. I do have a rollout. I'm so excited to see what I can roll in this month. So let's just go ahead and start with that. My Urban Decay Naked 3 eyeshadow palette. I did use the shade Nooner 6 times. I actually used it 7 times, but 6 times to hit down to 0. So I used it one additional time after that. No pan on it, but that's okay. I am going to roll it out. I am ready to roll something new in, so I am so excited to be able to do that. So stay tuned to the end of the video because I will have that. Then we have my Nabla Naked 3 eyeshadow palette, and I thought that I could possibly have rolled this out this month. However, I did buy 2 brand new luxury eyeshadow palettes. And I got one in my BoxyCharm this month, so I kind of got caught using them and didn't reach for this quite as much as I would have liked to, but that's okay. I'm not too worried about it. I did use this a total of 6 times, which means I have 8 uses left before I can roll this out. I am starting to notice a little bit of a dip on here, nothing that I'm going to hit pan on anytime soon. But I do expect this eyeshadow to be rolled out by my next update. I am panning the shade 16 from the Nabla Read My Mind palette, so I am looking forward to that update as well. These last 3 eyeshadows in this project, I don't anticipate finishing them anytime soon. I think it'll be another 4-ish months or so, so the next couple of updates might be boring, but let's go ahead and go through them, starting with my Too Faced Born This Way. I am panning the shade Sparkling Sand, and I don't anticipate hitting pan on any of these anytime soon, but I only use this a total of 3 times, which means I have 35 uses left. One of those 3 times I actually did use it as a highlighter, so I only actually wore it twice this month. So I've got 35 uses left, so I'm gonna say another 3 to 4 months at least before I can roll this out. And then from my 2 ColourPop palettes from the palette Soul, it comes with the Soul Emar collection. I am panning the shade B&B, and I only use this a total of 2 times this month, which means I still have 45 uses left, so I probably have like another 5 to 6 months left before I can roll this out. So yeah, it's gonna be a while. I don't reach for this shade too much. It's not really a staple in my collection, but I do enjoy it as like if I'm wanting a pop in the inner corner, or I am doing an orange look. But hopefully with spring right around the corner, spring and summer, I'll dip into this one more. And then from the Lizzie McGuire palette, I am panning the shade Outfit Rememberer, and I use this a total of 5 times, which means I have 36 uses left. So if I get in a frenzy where I am using this eyeshadow, it could be closer to the 3-month mark, but I'm still anticipating it probably be closing to the 4 or even 5 months before I roll it out. But it is a shade I do enjoy wearing, and I do wear this color story a lot. Anyway, let's go into the next roll-in. So the way I do this is I have a total of 111 eyeshadow palettes. They are numbered from oldest to newest in my collection. I'm going to randomize an eyeshadow palette from my number generator. From that, I'm going to take as many pans from that eyeshadow palette, put them in the number generator, and randomize a single eyeshadow. My goal is to either use it 50 times or hit pan, whichever one comes first. And of course, if I use it 50 times but I know I'm close to hitting pan, well then I can always go back and just keep using it and hit pan. And I am not doing any rollouts. Like all of these eyeshadows that are in my collection, or if they have been rolled in the past, I am going to allow them to stay in the numbers. And if I do happen to have a re-roll in, I will use that an additional 20 times, pan or not. So let's go ahead and start with the first number. So 1 to 111. Number 13. Okay, I'm gonna go get that eyeshadow palette and I'll be right back. So I rolled in the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. There are 12 eyeshadow pans in here that could potentially get rolled in. So I have my number generator from 1 to 12. All right, so we've got numbers 1 to 12 pulled up. And it's number 12, the very last eyeshadow palette, which is the shade Sting right here. So, not the most exciting shade. It is very close to the shade 16 from my Nabla Naked 3 palette. Let me kind of see the difference here. They're actually pretty much identical. I mean, I want to say the Urban Decay Naked Honey might be a little bit warmer that's on top here, but that's okay because I will be rolling this one out come next update anyway. So I'll probably make this be my primary focus, and once I've hit my 50 uses on this, or 8 more uses, I'll probably focus on that. So I'm not too mad at it. I do like having a shade like this in my project. We also have the shade B&B from the ColourPop Soul palette, and Outfit Remember from the ColourPop and Lizzie McGuire palette. And lastly, the shade Sparkling Sand from the Too Faced Born to Run palette. So here's the color story. I'd say I've got like a lot of fall tones or like late spring tones. So I feel like if this color story would have been rolled in probably like late summer, it probably might get a little bit more use. But I mean, I don't go by seasons with my eyeshadows or any of my makeup. As you could see today, I'm going fall and we're almost to spring right now. I am actually wearing the Kajo Bento Box Trio from my normal project pan. So this could be a fun look to maybe do like a full eyeshadow look. I mean, this pink shade is the only shade that doesn't really go with the color story, but I could totally make it work as an inner corner highlight. Anyway, oh, by the way, it's been over a year since I started this eyeshadow palette in my collection. I've had a couple different eyeshadows from it, but this has been rolled in since January of last year when I started doing this project, so I am excited to put this eyeshadow palette back into my collection and then start working on this one. I'm enjoying panning these Urban Decay shades. I don't feel like I will hit pan on this, especially because I've got two of nearly the exact same shade in. But it'll be fun to pan. I feel like I could probably finish this pretty regularly, considering that a shade like this is one I wear regularly in and out of my eyeshadow project pan. Try saying that 5 times fast. I am so fumbling over my words right now. Anyway, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. If that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button, and if not, but you still want to stick around, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.